Hey everyone, this is Josher14 back again with another product review, and this is the Cherry MX Board Silent. This is an office style keyboard that has MX black silent switches, and you can also get it in red silent switches as well as the blue clicky switches, but they're not silent at all, of course. This will actually run you around $115. With some variants depending on where you get it, but it's like $113 on Amazon right now. And all it comes with in the box is just a very couple small page manual with, hey, plug it in with USB or PS2, and then you are good to go. So the difference between the red silent and black silent is the actuation, with the black having 65 and the red having 45. So you definitely have to press a little bit more, but some people prefer that, and I wanted to try the black set, so thankfully Cherry sent this out for me to try out and tell you guys all about. Alright, as far as features go, you basically just got 3 blue LEDs, numlock, caps lock, and scroll lock. There's a little bit of bleed over, but it's not too bad, and the Cherry logo here on the top left, and other than that, it's just your basic keyboard with quality MX black silent switches. So next up, we're going to show you the difference in how the black silence stands up to MX browns and MX reds. All right, we'll type on the MX black silent board here. Very soft linear movement. The MX red, a little louder. And obviously the MX brown, very clicky. And now we'll do a little typing test so you can hear how it sounds when you're typing away with the MX black silent switches. So the MX Board Silent does have some nice raised feet with rubber already attached on there, and you do have a cable end, but it's not detachable, unfortunately, but it is does seem to be sturdy and have good construction. Alright everyone, I just want to thank you for watching this keyboard review, and keep it locked here at Josher14 for lots of gaming and tech reviews to come, and hopefully some giveaways for this holiday season. Thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like what you see. Take care.